Soar high, the eagle mindset. In the vast expanse of the sky, there exists a realm where eagles rule supreme. Their keen eyes pierce through the clouds, their mighty wings carry them to great heights, and their unwavering determination propels them forward. This is the realm of the eagle mindset, where the power of vision, resilience, and courage converge to achieve the impossible. In the heart of every eagle lies the unwavering belief that the sky is not the limit but merely the beginning. With wings spread wide and eyes fixed on the horizon, the eagle embraces every challenge as an opportunity to soar high. A true eagle knows that the winds of adversity only serve to lift them high, for they have mastered the art of using obstacles as stepping stones to greatness. Just as the eagle trusts its instincts to navigate through storms, so too must we trust our inner wisdom to guide us through life's trials. The eagle does not fear the storm, for it knows that within the tempest lies the opportunity to reveal its strength. Like the eagle, we must learn to rise above the turbulence of life and let our resilience be our wings. In the face of doubt and uncertainty, the eagle teaches us to stand tall and embrace the power of self belief. The eagle does not seek validation from others, for it knows that true validation comes from within. When faced with adversity, the eagle does not retreat but instead it spreads its wings and soars to new heights. The eagle's gaze is fixed on the future, never dwelling on the past, for it knows that what lies ahead is far greater than what has been left behind. To achieve greatness, one must first cultivate the mindset of an eagle, fearless, focused, and fiercely determined. The eagle does not wait for opportunities to come knocking. It creates them with every beat of its powerful wings. In the pursuit of our dreams, let us be guided by the wisdom of the eagle, who knows that the path to success is forged through perseverance and resilience. With the heart of an eagle, we can conquer any mountain, overcome any obstacle, and soar to unimaginable heights. The eagle teaches us that true strength lies not in the size of our wingspan, but in the size of our dreams. When faced with adversity, the eagle does not falter, for it knows that within every challenge lies the seed of opportunity. In the realm of the eagle, there is no room for doubt or hesitation, only unwavering confidence in one's ability to overcome. The eagle does not dwell on the past failures, for it knows that each setback is merely a stepping stone on the path to success. With the mindset of an eagle, we can transform obstacles into opportunities and setbacks into successes. The eagle does not wait for the perfect moment to take flight. It seizes the moment and soars with unwavering confidence. To embrace the eagle mindset is to embrace the limitless potential that lies within each and every one of us. The eagle teaches us that true freedom comes from within, from the courage to spread our wings and soar to new heights. With the eyes of an eagle, we can see beyond the horizon and envision a future filled with endless possibilities. In the realm of the eagle, there is no room for fear or self doubt, only the unshakable belief that anything is possible. Like the eagle, we must learn to weather life's storms with grace and resilience, knowing that brighter days lie ahead. The eagle does not conform to the expectations of others. It blazes its own trail and charts its own courage. With the heart of an eagle, we can overcome any obstacle and achieve the impossible. The eagle teaches us that true strength comes from within, from the courage to face our fears head on and emerge victorious. In the realm of the eagle, there are no limits, only endless possibilities waiting to be explored. With the mindset of an eagle, we can conquer our fears and soar to new heights of success. The eagle does not shy away from challenges, it embraces them as opportunities for growth and transformation. With the unwavering determination of an eagle, we can overcome any obstacle and achieve our wildest dreams. The eagle teaches us that true success is not measured by material wealth but by the strength of our character and the depth of our resilience. In the realm of the eagle, there is no room for self doubt or hesitation, only the unshakable belief in one's ability to overcome. With the mindset of an eagle, we can rise above the noise of negativity and soar to new heights of greatness. With the heart of an eagle, we can conquer any mountain, overcome any obstacle, and soar to unimaginable heights. The eagle teaches us that true strength lies not in the size of our wingspan, but in the size of our dreams. When faced with adversity, the eagle does not falter, for it knows that within every challenge lies the seed of opportunity. In the realm of eagle, there is no room for doubt or hesitation, only unwavering confidence in one's ability to overcome. The eagle does not wait for the perfect moment to take flight. It seizes the moment and soars with unwavering confidence. In the kingdom of the skies, where eagles reign supreme, the power of the eagle mindset knows no bounds. With unwavering determination, unshakable confidence, and boundless courage, we too can spread our wings and soar to new heights of success and fulfillment. So let's embrace the wisdom of the eagle and unleash the power of our own indomitable spirit. For the sky is not the limit, it is only the beginning of our greatest adventure yet. Hope you like the Eagle Mindset motivational video. Feel free to comment, like, share, and subscribe our channel Ahem Quotes. Until then, stay motivated, stay inspired, and stay amazing.